Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to claim credit back on Temu. First thing first you need to do is to open the Temu app or website and log in with your registered account. Now go to Orders. Tap U at the bottom of the app, then select your orders to see your purchase history. You have to choose the order. Find the order you want to claim credit for example, a cancelled, returned, or refunded purchase. Then tap Order Details. Now, if the purchase was made with Temu credit or partially paid with credit, any refund will automatically return to your Temu credit balance. And refunds to credit are usually instant or within 24 hours. Now, to redeem or use your credit, go to U again, then Credit Balance. Here you'll see your available credits. Apply them automatically at checkout to reduce your next order cost. Just a tip, if your credit hasn't been refunded after a cancellation return, you can go to Help Center, contact support in the Temu app, then request manual adjustment of your credit balance. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this.